Hi, today me and Alice will be explaining about Elasticube's columnar databases. Elasticube database system was officially introduced in 2009 by Science. This technology is a result of thorough analysis of both OLAP and in-memory technologies. This is a superfast data store that is specifically designed to withstand extensive querying typically required by business intelligence applications. Elasticubes are a columnar database that stores data field by field. Unlike relational databases like SQL and Oracle, each field is stored separately in a memory map files. When query is executed, only fields referenced in query needs to be loaded in memory. The approach of storing data is good for concurrent insertion operations, but when it comes to dealing with aggregation or merging of data in multiple disparate sources, relational databases reach their limits quickly. Introduction. The main purpose of Elasticubes is to provide an alternative to OLAP technologies without compromising speed because of their complex installation and expensiveness. It is introduced by using the concepts of OLAP and in-memory databases. It can execute queries from wide variety of data sources, making individual characteristics of each physical data source unimportant, using unified analytics engine. Using OLAP cubes, the data can be stored in multidimensional form and the data can be processed in RAM for efficiency. We can see in this image, different types of data can be fetched from different sources, which is then stored in Elasticube server, which can be managed by front-end apps like Elasticube Manager on desktop or laptop, or a web server can be used to manage the data using web application on mobile. How does it work? We can see the image of Elasticube Manager. Here the menu of Add Data provides the control or access to multiple data sources, which includes data from SQL, Oracle, or files like Excel or Access, or web services like Salesforce. As mentioned earlier, only the field reference in query needs to be loaded in main memory. This leaves enough space for actual processing without any read or write operations to external drive. Once the field is no longer in use, it is removed from memory and its consumed space is freed. After data loading, CPU cache misses becomes bottleneck of mean performance. A special cache aware algorithm is used to minimize these errors. Similar to every database, it compresses data to save disk space and RAM, but it is designed to work directly on compressed data, which increases its performance. Next is advantage.
There are many advantages of Elasticubes. First, that they are highly RAM efficient, and so it means that they have very low processing times. Next, it can process billions of rows efficiently and quickly, even on standard PC hardware. Next, it provides the users with unparalleled flexibility and speed in creating and executing high complexity reports, dashboards, and applications. The ability of Elasticubes to execute queries from a wide variety of data sources. Additionally, it provides unlimited scalability, both in terms of the number of rows and the number of fields, even with a definite amount of RAM. And lastly, it has the ability to incorporate additional changes on the fly without reprocessing the entire data model. There are also many advantages of using a columnar database. So in building an Elasticube does not require indexes or pre-aggregation, so databases take up less storage space. It also means creation is much faster than a standard OLAP system. It can also be highly compressed without losing a significant amount of data or accuracy. It can also handle many applications and users, as an Elasticube is not tied to any specific app. meaning data models do not have to be reproduced for each application a user creates. So all of these things mean that even queries over millions of data can be completed in seconds. There's less RAM and disk space that is needed in a comparable BI database. There's also less time that is needed to create different and new applications. So Elasticube technology is compliant with standard SQL language, meaning it can be integrated into external applications easily and without the use of a new scripting language. It also has integration with ODBC OLEDB databases for easy connection with other data. As Pranay had mentioned before, Elasticubes are proprietary to Sisense Inc. One of their use cases is for Fiverr, an e-commerce services, a marketplace for small businesses to contract out minor services for their companies. Their data model utilizes 5 Elasticubes and 2 servers in their solution for tens of millions of rows of data. They utilize multiple data sources, including MySQL, Google Docs, and spreadsheets. So all departments and even non-technical employees have adopted the interfaces for business intelligence decisions, each with multiple dashboards with an average of 20 queries each. They update multiple times a day and even still refresh within seconds. This is just one example where Elasticubes are much more efficient than traditional database systems. We hope this presentation has been insightful, and thank you for listening.